Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing? Hope you're good. Yes, if today is the first time you're coming across my channel, thank you very much for clicking. Please consider subscribing. And if you're a returnee, thank you very much. I really appreciate the love. You guys are the best. Yeah, so today's video, I didn't want to do a sit down video, so and I also didn't want to do like an unboxing video. So that was why I said, okay, let me just use this opportunity while unboxing to talk to you guys. I actually wanted to give you guys some updates, and my room is always very dark and I feel like it's not giving my video that good quality I want. Yeah, so I actually want to apologize for always going off and on YouTube. I'm never consistent in a while. I promise that very soon I will be consistent. I promise. Like I said, I've been through a lot lately, but I'm feeling good now. Oh my god, look at this cute wristwatch. Like, oh my god, I can't believe I bought a wristwatch for myself. I'm actually not a wristwatch person. There's this bangle I used to wear, a redeem bangle. I've been wearing that bangle since 2013, and a friend of mine had to tell me that AB, if shame they catch you, shame they catch me where they work out with you when you wear this thing. Like the bangle changed from white to milk color because of I've been wearing it complete like since 2013 till I think about a month ago I removed it from my hand. Like I don't remove it. I bathe with it, sleep with it, wake with it, do everything with it. So finally I bought a wristwatch. Hopefully I'll wear it. When it comes to jewelries, I'm a bad person. I hardly wear earrings, necklace. The only thing I don't forget is my rings. No matter how late I am, I don't forget my rings. Yeah, so back to what I was saying. I actually filmed a lot of videos these few days, like unboxing. I vlogged my when I went for my vaccine, and I've not posted any of them. Like today, I was just going through my phone and I'm like, man, which one should I post first? I don't even know which one to post first. I have like two already posted on my channel, and it's, oh my god, Teresa just called me. You can see the name Teresa YouTube. This girl has been an amazing person. I've never met her in person though. Like we only chat. Just from YouTube, we started talking on Instagram. From Instagram, we exchanged number and we started talking on WhatsApp. Like when I went off both WhatsApp, Facebook and all that, she was the one that chatted me and asked me what's going on. It's been long she saw my status on WhatsApp, because anybody that knows me knows that every single day I must post maybe one funny thing or serious thing, but my status is always updated. But she noticed and she texted me, and now today she decided to call. Yeah, like I'm really grateful. I'm really grateful. She has really been a nice person. Yeah, so back to what oh my god, I love this. I actually bought this can for my milk. I bought two of it, one for my milk and one for Milo. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it well, because I know there are a lot of English experts or linguistic students that are watching. Before they'll come and tell me it's not milk, it's milk, or it's milk, or it's, I don't know. But my own is milk that we drink. Milk is milk. Yeah. So I got two of it. Like I said, one for my milk and one for my Milo. Back to our discussion. So I don't know what to do at the moment. Maybe I'm going to open a poll, put and put two video title. Anyone that gets the highest vote, I'm going to post that one first. But hopefully this December I'm going to do vlogmas. Hopefully, I'm saying hopefully. If I'm still in this my room, if I'm stuck in this my room, I'm not going to do vlogmas. But if for any reason I leave my room, I'm going to do vlogmas. Yeah, this is the teacup I unboxed from earlier. I did not video this one. Yeah, I bought this one so that whenever I'm working, I can just be sipping my tea, you know. And inside is like a flask, so it can retain heat. That's why I bought it. I don't want a situation whereby maybe sometimes I'll prepare my tea, and while walking, before I know it gets cold and I can't drink it again. That was why I bought that. Yeah, so back to me doing vlogmas. I'm like, if for any reason I leave this my apartment, I'm going to do vlogmas. But if I'm still here, I'm not doing vlogmas. This room is dark. It's not giving me that fine quality that I want, even with the ring lights. Like, I don't know if you get what I'm saying. Yeah, so would notice that I have reduced. Like, I'm loving my new body, and I'm still working on achieving more. Like, I've been on a diet. There's this tea I noticed, I tried out, and it has been doing wonders. Like, it has been doing a lot of wonders. Man, something motivated me